Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're about to take a look at the gym here at the Selene Luxury Residences. So this is the gym. This is what it looks like. Just want to show it off to you. So there's some dumbbells that are over here. You can see there's Peloton bikes, spin bikes. There are ellipticals, you've got some treadmills that are over here, and you do have some cool free weights that are here too. I do see some kettlebells, and there's a machine, Precore machine. That's a really high quality machine. This is Precore 2. That's very, very nice. And then there's a Smith machine that's over there too, and a leg press also. You do have towels provided, so that's super cool. Love it. So it's a beautiful, oh, and there's an Echelon Reflect. That's kind of like the mirror. And that's over here in this wall. You also have a workout lawn area, so like a nice outdoor lawn area that's here. And that's right here, and you can work out on here as well. And you can enjoy some great views. So this is what it looks like out here. Love it. And I just love the gym in general. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.